Hey everybody, it's Erica.
And Shelby.
Coming to you from Stitch in Heaven here in Quitman, Texas. So Shelby did an awesome video last month with her little magic trick. We're not doing that this time, I'm not that cool. We're gonna show you kind of the extension of July's sale into August. The Freedom event runs from July 16th to August 31st. So kind of the same freebie gifts. Shelby showed you a pretty good run over of what you get. A lot of stuff that you see here, plus other stuff. So any machine that you buy from Stitch in Heaven during this time period, you're gonna get a gift with purchase. You know we're famous for that. That's what we love doing to take care of y'all. So we might even have some magical mystery gifts thrown in, depending on what machine you get. We always do stuff like that. Deb doesn't like it, but we like giving things away. So we definitely have fun with it. No, don't, by any means. Sorry, Deb, we love you. So what you get, it's just gonna vary by machine. You could get trolley bags, you could get thread, you could get scissor sets, books, hoops. It's up to your imagination, I guess. Kinda, we do have some rules. Along with this sale, part of the August extension is going to be a financing special. Who's excited for that?
I'm excited.
I'm excited. 0% for 60 months. And it's one of the longest periods that I've seen Bernina run one of these. You know, normally they're like 5-7 days. What are the dates for this one?
This is going to be August 6th through 17th.
6th through the 17th. So that's a long period of time. So if you've been thinking about it, you were looking at machines in July, kind of, you know, money's tight. Of course, we have to buy quilting projects for Christmas and summer, right? That's why we had our big Christmas and July sale. Come in and finance. 0% for 60 months, purchases over $3,000. It's a great way to spread that money out. You can always pay off early. No pressure, no penalty. Just come see us and buy a machine from us. You want to, right? So if you've had your eye on these machines, you want to take advantage of the financing special. Obviously the freebies are great. Some of these gift packages are anywhere from $500 to $1,000 depending on the machine. Call us, text us, send us smoke signals, carrier pigeons, whatever you want to do. We prefer to see you in person. We like interacting with you. So come in, get your new Bernina. We have plenty of them in stock and we have more coming in. And we'll have all kinds of stuff going on. And it's not just domestics, Q series as well. So there's all kinds of packages in here. I'm not gonna go over them in great detail. Nobody wants to see that. Just call us. Packages on desks, frames, accessories to go with the Qs, tons of cool stuff that Bernina's releasing this year. Talk to us, we'll get you set up. So come get your new Bernina. Thank you.